Hi, I'm Kat Diercks and I'm a senior in the MSA Vocal program, and I'm here to bring you a little summary of what's been going on at MSA during the past month. Our year has definitely kicked off to an unusual start, but we're making the most of it and grasping the opportunity to explore new methods of learning and creating art. First off, our absolutely fabulous staff worked hard to ensure that all MSA students were provided with all the materials that they needed to be successful in their craft. We also had our drive-through senior sunrise. Us seniors are so grateful for the way that NHS staff has come up with new creative ways to make our senior year special. An MSA town hall meeting was held over Zoom right before school started, which was the perfect opportunity for staff to introduce themselves and for students and families to get their questions answered. Most recently, we had back to school night on Thursday, and families got to hear a little bit about what their students have been doing in class. We're bringing back Student of the Week, so click the link in the MSA Student Newsletter to fill out a Google form and nominate an artist who you think deserves to be recognized. Lastly, in these student newsletter videos, we're super excited to spotlight the various MSA disciplines individually, so we get to hear a little bit about what everybody else has been up to. So today we're starting off by taking a little field trip to the vocal music and creative writing programs. So here we go!
So, I am a senior in Creative Writing 4, and since we have been remote learning, Miss Pollock, who's the creative writing teacher, has taken a new approach to how we learn remotely, because what we used to do in the classroom is not applicable to what we can do remotely. So Miss Pollock has made set great breakout rooms that are kind of like table groups that we can bounce ideas off of and work privately on other stuff. We also have peer feedback like we did in the classroom, which is very nice. Currently, we're working on flash fiction stories to submit to a online journal called Havoc that submits flash fiction, of course. And next, we're going to be working on a independent project.
In vocal music this past month, we've been really excited to be welcoming our brand new teacher, Miss Amanda Adelman, and she has already done such an amazing job not only taking over the program and absolutely transforming it, but handling remote learning in the best way possible. We've been studying the blues and working on our first repertoire of the year for our concert, which will be remote this December, and all of our music this year is completely by Black composers, which has been a really cool way for us to not only dive into the roots of jazz and the history of jazz, but also how that's played into the history of America in general. So that's been something awesome that we've never done before in the vocal program. So we hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about what's been going on at MSA during the past month, and we look forward to continuing these updates.